Street race turned into hot pursuits.
4210 southbound on Cobra. Paul Frank Henry 3677. PFH 3677. Take that big line on all of that for you. Got your race track, black on your race track. We are crossing over Brownsville. Oh, yes, the big way, big day, southbound. So, guys, 300, get around here, stop, Young Jordan, across Maryland. Watch out for the stop traffic. Young Jordan, across Harbor Road. Stop the traffic. He's on my road. Good, no traffic. Actually, right here, off Milton. Still on Delta Road. Clear. Sorry, really, no. Come on, you're in there. Right on Cleveland, right on Cleveland. Brakes on this outside, so be careful. One down Cleveland, one down Cleveland. Brownsville here in a second. Yeah, right now, first Brownsville. Almost going in. Come on, guys. Watch oncoming traffic. Watch my brakes. Clear. All the way down. Stop in Lower Plain. Stop in Main Street. Clear right Main Street. Watch for the turn. He brakes better. Got units coming right here in front of him.
Street race turns into hot pursuit.
Adam 15, go ahead.
License plate on the car. Oh, he fishtailed a little bit there, almost
helicopter.
hitting that car. They're calling this a Hellcat vehicle. And look at that. He's kind of losing control of the back end of that as he hits the gas really hard. Wrong side of the street, right up against the curb. Oh, man, look at the people there in the crosswalk, just barely missing that one guy going across. He's now eastbound. This is going to be 5th Street. And So Dangerous is going to come close and rear ends that white car right there.
With each other.
And going to continue on. He bumps the back end of that white car and then continues on. So Dangerous here out here in the Hollywood area. He's hitting that gas and to the point where the back end fishtails just like that. He hits the gas on that turn and he kind of loses the back end of the vehicle. That car is so powerful. It just has so much power to it. It starts to fishtail. Here he goes on a curved street. He coming out on no major. Again, wrong side of the road. Unbelievable. This is so dangerous at this hour, especially. Look at this. Another red light, another cross traffic. He's going to hit. Oh, I think he got tapped there. And he hits that car. This is it. He's lost control. He's going to pop the doors. 2 people coming out. And 3. the driver
One,
in
two.
a hoodie there. We have the
Three.
back door open.
Yeah.
We didn't see anyone there. Here comes
There is
the driver
movement in the car
that.
still.
Yeah, we got the driver there in the purple hoodie with the hat. That's the driver. We're going to try to focus on the driver. There goes the passenger. So it's actually Normandy and 11th.
And now you've got the LAPD on them.
And here comes LAPD right there.
Wow.
They got
High
two of them
drama
right there.
in the
real quick.
middle.
Mustang runs from state troopers.
And he, too, succeeded in escaping the chase. The police decided to end it in order to avoid accidents.
This happens every time. I was not even trying to race. Nissan GTR beat up Hellcat, so he called his big brother Trackhawk to destroy GTR. Watch till the end.